Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you a couple of simple math games you can play with items you have around the house. We are going to play 3 games and each game is for a different age group. The first game is a number recognition game and would be good for kids ages 3 to 5. For this game, you will need a 6-sided die, a piece of paper, and a pencil. First, I took a piece of paper and wrote and circled the numbers 1 through 6 twice on it. I scattered the numbers around the page to make it a little harder, but you can put them in order if your child is just starting to learn their numbers. The object of the game is to cross off all the numbers on the sheet. The child will roll 1 die and count how many dots they rolled. They will then find that number on the sheet and cross it off. This game provides your child with the opportunity to work on counting, number sense, and number recognition. As the child becomes more comfortable with counting and finding the correct number on the sheet, you can turn the game into a race to see who can mark all of the numbers on their sheet the fastest. This next game is for 5 to 7-year-olds. For this game, you will need 2 dice. This sheet of paper has the numbers 2 through 12 written just once. Have the child roll both of the dice and add the numbers together. Then they will find the sum or answer and mark it on their sheet. To play this game, you can either take turns or it can be played as a race for added fun. Just keep in mind that if you play it as a race, each player would need 2 dice. This version of the game focuses on addition skills, but it can easily be adjusted to work on subtraction. All you would need to do is switch out the number 12 for the number 1. Want to make the game even more challenging? Add more die. This next game is for ages 5 to 10, depending how difficult you make it. Each player will need 2 or more dice. You will also need 10 of something you have around the house. We're using quarters. All players roll their die at the exact same time. You take each of your die and either add them together or multiply them. Whoever has the highest sum or product gets to take one of the quarters, or whatever item you're using, from the pot. Once all of the items have been taken out of the pot, whoever has the most wins. If you don't want to have a pot, you can also just keep track of points on a piece of paper. Have fun playing, guys!